There are 25 questions in the customer accounts area of the Series 7 exam. These questions tend to be very granular. Said another way, they're picky. You need to know the areas that are covered in detail. The 4 areas are account documentation. This is the information that a registered representative and the firm must get from the customer and give to the customer when he or she is opening an account. The next is suitability. What information must be gathered from a I will simplify these for you and enable you to focus on only those details you need to know to successfully get all those questions right on the Series 7 exam. So let's get started. When opening any type of customer account, FINRA has a blanket rule known as the Know Your Customer rule. In very broad brushstrokes, this says that the person opening the account must be aware of the customer's financial means, the customer's fiscal responsibility, and the customer's investment objectives.